Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Today we will learn 30 animal names. Let's begin. Dog, cat, cow, goat, horse, sheep, buffalo, donkey, camel, rabbit, hen, duck, pig, parrot, pigeon, lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, zebra, monkey, bear, kangaroo, panda, deer, fox, snake, crocodile, wolf, hippopotamus. Great job kids! You learned 30 animal names today, domestic animals and wild animals. Keep practicing and see you in the next video. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for learning videos.